Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. Got a Ram 1500 going out the door today. So this is the DT shape, not the DS. So it's got the new front end, new headlights, it's a whole new car. So different chassis, different body panels. Now this one's a base model, so this is the SXT. Now what we've done to give it the classy sort of aggressive look, we've done the color coding front and rear bumpers white. We've done black grille, black trims, black badging on the side. Now if you come around, what we've done, we've got a set of Rebel wheels going on here with the Goodyear regular tyres. We've also got the Bilstein suspension, so this has got about 1.5 inch lift. Now if you come and have a look inside, what we've done, these trucks usually come with like a cloth trim. We've done the black leather, the 8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay to give it all the usual features. It's also got the rear aircon mod with the extra blower fan. Now in the rear, these 1500s have got a massive amount of storage, so they've got the usual storage pockets down here, which are very useful. Now the back seat also folds up, which gives you a massive space in there for storage if you've got fridges or just any sort of gear. Folds back down. It's also a massive seating area, so we've also done the black leather in the back as well. At the rear, this has only got the short tub on it, done the Rebel wheels and the colour coding bumper. So as you can see, another great looking truck going out the door today.